www.gibsontruckworld.com 2007 Chevy Avalanche LT2 leather crew cab with 1-year bumper-to-bumper warranty, riding on a nice set of 20s, power leather seating, backup sensor, adjustable pedal, OnStar, CD player, running boards, keyless entry, alarm, power door locks, power windows, power mirrors, wood grain trim, steering wheel controls, towing package. Gibson is the only dealer that gives a real free 12-month bumper-to-bumper warranty valid across the United States, 12 months free maintenance from our 23-bay service department and our exclusive 15-day return policy. It sounds too good to be true, but it is true. We will pay you $1,000 if you find a better truck for less. Gibson Truck World is nations ahead of the competition. At Gibson Truck World, an educated consumer is our best